How to fix missing material when input Mixamo's assets into Unreal Engine 5. In this project, we have these characters, and next thing I'm gonna do as another animation. And here I will select this animation. It's hip hop dancing, and I will download it, and I will select without skin and download. I just drag this one into Unreal Engine 5, and we need to select this skeleton and make sure it's typo skeleton. It's this one. And click import. And here we have these dancing animations now. It's nothing's wrong. And the next thing, if I want to add another characters, and here I will select another characters, and this character is here. You can check it. And the next things I'm gonna do, check this one. I will use these characters. And here I will type typos because I don't like to use the typos setting to be the default setting. And I will select with skin and download it. Just wait for a second. And we download it now. And I will drag this ones into the Unreal Engine 5. And if I just click import, and you can see we're missing a lot of things. We missing the material and missing textures. So we will fix it. I will select all of them and delete it. And I will drag this one into Unreal Engine 5 again. And here I will scroll it down. And you can see this setting is changed. And I need to reset it. And because with input the hip hop dancing, it's made this change. So I need to change it again. We need to reset it to the default setting. Input material, reset it. Input textures. We need to make sure all of the default setting and click import. And you can see our textures and material is input Unreal Engine 5. That's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.